the sun-drenched lands of old Arabia lived a young pearl diver named Jabir. The sea was his life, but lately it had been unkind, yielding only empty shells. Frustration grew in his heart like a desert weed. One evening, an old fisherman saw Jabir's gloom. "The sea, my boy," he said, his voice like the shifting sands, "is like life. It guards its greatest treasures for those with the greatest patience." The next day, Jabir dived with newfound resolve. He ignored the small, easy shells and went deeper, his lungs burning. He waited, listened to the ocean's silent song, and just as his breath gave out, he saw it. A single, large oyster, hidden beneath a coral arch. Inside was a pearl, luminous as the full moon. Jabir learned that day that true treasures, whether in the ocean or in life, are not found by haste, but are earned through patience. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more stories.